Spring, at the southern tip of Africa, is the time for new beginnings. The fynbos sparkles with newly formed flowers. The insects turn in their pollinating duties, and the newly born southern right whales wallow meters up the rocky coast. Situated in the heart of this biological haven is Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, an award-winning luxury lodge and custodian of this exceptionally diverse ecosystem. Awaken with the wilderness and experience the full splendor of spring. Explore the network of pathways traversing the reserve and learn about some of the 800 different plant species, each with a story to be told. Hike through a 1,000-year-old milkwood forest, marvel at the panoramic vistas from the hilltops, and indulge in an enchanting picnic amidst the radiant flowers. Stroll along miles of deserted beaches, venture through ancient caves overlooking turquoise bays, and witness nearby whales breaching in elation. Seek out the charismatic marine Big Five and observe these captivating creatures in breathtaking proximity. Immerse yourself in the wonders of this timeless region and connect intimately to its hidden marvels. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve. Step into the splendor of spring.